Window fans are designed to mount safely in any standard window. They are quiet, compact, and don't take up any floor space. These fans are usually reversible with the ability to intake fresh air or exhaust stale air. There might also be a balance setting where one fan pushes and the other fan pulls. This is great if the room has a closed door and needs to exchange air. Consuming only 50 to 100 watts, window fans are cost-effective as they only use 1/10 of the electricity of a portable air conditioner. It's worth noting that a window fan will not always cool the room or reduce humidity. They simply move air in and out of the window. So during the summer, it's best to use the fan on a shaded side of your home or during the night for best cooling. Now, to get the most out of this fan, you want to set up cross ventilation within your home. Cross-flow ventilation, or a cross breeze, is the process of bringing in fresh air by creating a path for it to flow through your home and out the opposite side. To cool a home, it's best to pull air in from the north or shaded side of your home and exhaust the air out of the south. As well, note the direction of any prevailing wind, as that can help push air through the home. You can also take advantage of the stack effect, where warm air naturally rises to the top of your home. Simply pull in air from the basement or main floor and push it out of the top floor to encourage a natural upward airflow. The amount of cooling is dependent on the outdoor temperature and the layout of your home, so you may need several fans for this to work. A window fan, box fan, and pedestal fan can all be used in combination to help move air throughout a space. A window fan drawing cool air into a bedroom can help you sleep comfortably. A large window or patio screen door might benefit from a box or pedestal fan. You might also need some extra fans to help move the air through hallways and around corners. Now, even if you have a portable air conditioner, a cross breeze can be a good way to save money. For instance, run the air conditioner for a few hours during the hottest part of the day, and then open the windows and use fans during the evening. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.